Good afternoon, welcome to the shed. It's another rainy day, so I didn't do my entrance today. Apparently we're going to have 3 inches of rain this afternoon, although at the moment the sun is out. Don't know how long that's going to last. Okay, we're going to try another little experimental video today. I'm having a bit of a sort out in the bedroom, and I found this. This is my christening cup. It's been in a drawer a while. I think my mum gave it to me, I don't know, 20 years ago and said, oh, you might as well have that. I'm not quite sure how it managed to get into such a state. I think it must have survived the Blitz. It looks like it's done 20 years in the Queen Vic, Albert Square. But anyway, it's quite possible that it wasn't new when I was born, and that my dad got it from an antique shop. That's probably his style, to be honest. It's silver. There is a hallmark on there. I don't know if you can see that. I can't actually read it at the moment. Yeah, I don't know if it's solid silver. Probably not. Probably just plated. So what we're going to do, we're going to try the old soda and salt silver foil trick in a pan. See if we can make this like new again. So it'll only be a short video, just a little experiment. I'm going to cook up some solution, dunk this in, and then do a speeded up version so we can watch the tarnish come off it, if we're lucky. Okay, let's crack on. So the recipe is this. You need a pan of water, probably about 1 litre or so, some silver foil, some baking soda, or we call it bicarb, the Americans call it baking soda, not baking powder. They are different apparently. And some salt. I think apparently the measurements don't matter too much, but I've used 2 spoons of baking soda, 1 of salt. So that's going to go in there in a minute. First of all, oh, by the way, the water's simmering. Did I say that already? This goes into here. I need something to stir it with, and I've forgotten my spoon. I'll do. Back end of a paintbrush. Okay. So the silver, when it goes in, has to be touching the silver foil. We'll add our mixture, give it a bit of a stir, and then drop this in. And then I'll put my little clock here so you can watch the time go by. This is like a really bad episode of Saturday Kitchen. More like Ramsay's Kitchen Nightmares. Right, let's. I'm going to set the camera up so that you can see what's going on in the pan. So, after a couple of minutes in there, it has worked, but it's not quite what I was expecting. I think I was expecting it all to look like that, but obviously this hasn't been polished for a long time. So I'm going old school, not sponsored by Goddard's silver polish, but can be if they're interested. So I'm going to polish it now using a cloth, some polish. I think I've got enough in here, and let's see if we can make it look pristine. I'm not going to attempt to straighten it up because I like it like that. Okay. So it's quite tricky to photograph silver, especially on a sunny day. But I managed to work out what it was. So it is, what have we got? We have got the anchor, which means it was made in Birmingham. We have got the lion, which means it was assayed in, oh, it's the lion passant, actually. That means he's passing you by rather than rearing up. That means it's a British or London maker. And then we have got the maker's mark, which is T and S, Turner and Simpson. And the N, scrolled N, which means it was during the role of Elizabeth. So a bit of Elizabethan silver. Unfortunately, Elizabeth II. Okay, so yeah, there we go. A bit of fun there, just something to do this afternoon. If you like these sort of videos, leave a comment. I'll also put the recipe down below, although you can mix and match anyway. You can just kind of make it work. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and look out for my videos, which normally come out on a Sunday and a Wednesday, depending on what I'm up to. Cool. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon.